Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Healthy. My name is Sahil and today we are going to do a video on NFTs. It got me struck, I was awestruck actually. Something strange has been going on the internet. People have been selling digital art and various kind of digital, things which I never thought, anybody would buy. And you can see Jack Dorsey sells his first tweet. I think this happened in March somewhere, and it went for a whopping $2.9 million. NBA has been selling digital collectibles and their clips, video clips, which you can watch for free anytime on the internet. Now, those are being sold, and why people are buying it actually. So, that is what we will talk about today. And it won't be social media if I don't ask you to like my video, subscribe my channel, follow my page. So please do that, so you can get regular updates. And so now we should start. Why people are buying these digital art, which nobody knows what is going on there. So I'll tell you. Let's study the psychology. What happens is the psychology of humans is such that how we value the things is changing so much. It's not the physical. Now we are valuing the virtual things. So this is the reason why there is so much value going on into these things. Now, what is an NFT? Non-fungible token? Is that it? No. Let me help you. Let me explain it to you in very simple words. First of all, now just replace the fungible with replaceable. Now, non-replaceable token, right? So this is actually a non-replaceable. How it is non-replaceable, I will explain it to you. Now let's say I'm wearing this t-shirt, Now this t-shirt, I've been wearing it. So it will wear down in a couple of months and I won't be able to use it again. So what I'll do, I love this t-shirt. I'm very comfortable. I love the color. I feel my personality works in it. So I'll go ahead and buy another green t-shirt, similar to this one, maybe the same. So now this is a replaceable thing. However, a Mona Lisa, it is non-replaceable. So when you create an art digitally online, it is one of a kind. Now Dorsey won't be Jack Dorsey won't be getting his tweet again. He won't be selling his tweet again. That was his first tweet, so it sold for a whopping $3 million. So now NFT is actually a catalyst for mass adoption for cryptocurrency. What I feel is, people will like to have digital ownership of everything, of whatever, in the metaverse, now in the digital world, people will want to have their ownership. And now the ownership will be done through cryptocurrencies, right? People will buy it through cryptocurrencies. So it is going to be a huge, NFTs will be huge. So in simple terms, what I feel is NFT is simply something which will allow us to have ownerships, digital ownership. Now anything that is physical or anything that is digital can be an NFT. You have to understand this. Anything that is physical can also become an NFT. So this is the reason it is growing so big. And always remember, the digital version of an asset is always bigger than the physical version. Now this is the reason that, if you remember Uber, when Uber came into play, everybody thought, a lot of investors thought it's just taxi service. No, but it was a digital version of it. So it was huge, and what digital version turned out to be, the company has no taxes of its own, but it's huge. It just grew into huge. So now you have to understand, this is why digital things are going to be much more, the assets are going to be valued at very high ranges. Now if you see on the screen, you can see here the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Now the first one sell again for I think $1.7 million. So again, this is one of the best NFTs going around. If you want to have a look around, you can go ahead. It's called Bored Ape Yacht Club. So as I was telling you, digital will always have an edge over analog. Now why NFT is such an amazing technology? Because it has a utility. utility. Now, since it has a utility, so people will be adopting it and there will be a mass adoption. Now, I don't know how long will it take, how soon this will happen, and the tech, how the tech will be built on it, how we will use it into in day-to-day lives, how you be using it, how will I be using it. So I'm not so sure. However, what I feel is we are already living this. We are already living in a virtual world. We go to Twitter every day, we tweet, we come back, we again go back, what happened, and we just do it every day, each and every day. So we are already living it. Now, how it comes into our life, how soon it will come into our lives, but and how soon it will come, I'm not so sure. So this is what is NFT actually is. And all great investors have always figure out where the money is, so you know it by now, how you are going to figure it, it. And this is for now, and this is what NFTs are, and this is why they are so huge. And if you want to see some NFTs, you can go to OpenSea. This is actually one of the best markets to buy NFTs. If in India you want to see Indian sites, this is where you can see. On wazirX also have their own NFT place. So everything that you want to know will be there. And if you have any other, if you want to ask me anything, you can just comment in the comment box and I'll try and answer it as soon as possible. So this is it. So I will coming up with a new video very soon on some of the NFT cryptos which we should buy before the pump. So like the video, and as I always say, these videos are time sensitive, so so you should always click on the notification button so that you get it on time and you can make use and you can buy the cryptos. So take care, bye bye.